Technology is changing the way we perceive home cleaning services. Today, most people are dependent on mobile phones and other tech devices to book on-demand home cleaning services. The coming of on-demand apps has set the bar high for the businesses in the same industry, who don't have an app to offer the customers. Today, people get such services on the same day of booking. What's more, the professionals promptly reach the location, sometimes in as few as 30 minutes. By 2026, the global home cleaning services market is estimated to reach $10 billion United States dollars. If you're looking to build one such app, we at Code Brew Labs can help you. Get an all-in-one tech suite for your home services business.